Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna go take you guys to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, and also we're gonna go to a little bit of Marshalls. I know the last time you guys did mention that you wanted me to show you guys some things from HomeGoods and take you guys there, so I'm gonna take you there as well. By the way, this coffee is so freaking good. I went to Starbucks earlier today. I didn't get enough sleep last night, so I figured I'd go get myself some coffee. I ended up getting just a pumpkin spice latte and a egg sandwich, and I wore a sweater thinking that it's gonna be cold. This weather is just really bipolar. So bipolar. I tend to pick my outfits usually the night before and like get an idea of what I'm gonna wear the next day, but today it's just not the day to be wearing a sweater, so I don't know. But anyways, let's go on and get started with today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's go on and get started. Alrighty, you guys, first stop is going to be TJ Maxx, and then I'm going to take you guys to HomeGoods, but let's just check it out and see what they have. Alrighty, I see they have a lot of Stila products here. Let's see, what is this? This is the Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows in Cloud, Grace. What is this? Oh, concealer. These are the Prep and Prime by Stila. Tantalizer Pool Party mini bronzing powders. Some elf. And what is this? This one's an Eye Me. Oh, this is a fragrance. Ooh, look at this, you guys. This one's a NARS Studio Dolce Vita Cracker Blush Velvet Matte Lip Pencil and blush. Ooh, this is for $14.99. This is actually really cool. Over here is a NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation. We have some Lorac oil-free Pore Perfection foundations as well. Some Becca Brightening and Blur Primer. Called Skin Love. A lot of Becca foundations here. What is this? What is this? These are stencils, I think. These are for $7.99. Oh yeah, these are like stencils. They're like Urban Decay Brow Guide. They're multi-pack. I haven't seen this before, so this is quite new. Interesting. They have a lot of Ardell lashes. Let me know. I like the Vegas Nay lashes. They're so good. They also have these. These are my favorites as well. I always like to stack up on these because these are really nice. I also like the Nicole Guerrero ones. These are also very nice. Let's see what other blushes they have. They have the Velour Lashes Starter Kit for $10. So, and you get some tweezers to put your lashes with. Here's some other stuff. They have the Riviera palette that I showed you guys the last time. They also have the Natural Eyes to Too Faced Starter Eyeshadow Palette. This is going for, I think, $24.99. But that's all I see here. Okay, you guys, I'm at this HomeGoods. I know a few of you guys wanted me to check out HomeGoods and do a video in there, but yeah, it's a nice day today. I'm gonna check it out and see what kind of items they have in there, but this is my favorite place to go. I love it. So let's take a look. This is like the storage section. You can see there's a whole bunch of baskets and everything, but these are really cute storage items that you can put around the house. It's like a farmhouse type of vibe, but there's a whole bunch of them there. There's like a whole bunch of hangers as well. This is really where I buy most of my hangers. They come in different colors. They're for $10. And it comes in a set of 25. So I like to buy the pink ones and also maybe the beige ones. It's actually a really cute base, you guys, for our home decor for the house. I think it's really pretty, and I kind of want to take it. Love like the pillow section of HomeGoods, you guys. Like so many pillows. Look at this. They have like antique looking pillows, which I really like. And they have these beige grage type of pillows. These are so pretty just to add texture to your living room. Oh my god, look at this, a huge mirror, you guys. OMG, that's so big. Okay, this is the rug that I was actually interested in. the last time I came here. And I kind of really want to get that rug, you guys, but the price is too high. Although like this is like a $4,000 rug, goes for $14.99 here at HomeGoods, and I still think that's a little bit expensive, to be honest. I don't know, hopefully it goes on clearance and I can get it. I like the look of it, it's really nice. I love the pattern. This is so pretty if your vibe is like more of a bohemian and hobo vibe. This is for $7.99, like $800. It's by the brand Dupe and it's by 8x10, and this one actually costs online for like $3,000. I know it goes online for $3,000 or $4,000, but it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love the material too. It's really nice. OMG. Alright, my guys, I think I found a really nice rug. Look at this rug over here. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. I think it looks a lot better in person, but no, the quality is actually really nice. It looks more like beige. I don't know, on camera it's looking a little bit more like washed out, but it's for $249 and it's an 8x10. I don't know, should I get it? Oh my god, decisions. It's only $249, you guys. That's not a bad deal. All right, let's keep looking. Oh my goodness, look at this. You guys, look at this chair. It's for $149. Oh my god. Look, you guys, look at this really cute little table. I love this. Like, it really has like a really nice look to it. It's for $200 and it's by the brand Tahari, but it's so pretty. Here is the portrait section, you guys, which I love from HomeGoods. It's like my favorite place to shop for home portraits. But this is for $40. It has like almost like a farmhouse type of feel, and I like it. It's really pretty, really nice. Here are more pieces, you guys. This is like more like a bohemian type of home decor, like more tribal type. This is $39.99, and this is actually really pretty as well. Okay, here are more home decor portraits. Oh look, this is Frida. Look at this, you guys. I found Frida at HomeGoods. This is so pretty. OMG. Love the colors of it. But I definitely don't think it will go with my home decor, with my home. But overall, I don't really see anything like sticking out to me that I want to buy. But I do want to show you guys what they have here, what kind of pieces they have. Okay, so I really like these baskets over here. They're actually really roomy and interesting looking. Really pretty. Yeah, these baskets are really nice. I wonder how much these are. These are going for $50. Wow, that's really affordable. You can put like your blankets there. You can put like your dog's toys. This is like a far away of how they look like, but they're really nice, like an accent piece to the house. And they even have those type of baskets over there too, which I thought were really nice. And those are for $40, and they have in different sizes as well. Okay, so here I'm in like the organized section, and this is like more like for your beauty room or your room. So what I found, these are like cabinet pulls, and these are in gold. This is by the brand Bingo, and it's for $24.99. I'm actually looking for a few more of these. I recently bought like the IKEA closet system, and I'm thinking about putting knobs to the closet system, so I thought that was a really nice find. But this would be awesome to put on the drawers on the outside as a handle, because they're really pretty and glam. All right, I'm gonna put this on this side, and if I find more, I guess I'll just come back. Remember in the last video we found this lipstick set by Anastasia? So this one It's actually already opened, and I wanted to show you what they have here. So you see the colors there, quite pretty and shimmery, but I thought I'd show you guys since it was already opened. You can see it's a lot more like fall colors, and they're very shimmery. You can see that red is more like a matte. Okay, I found an Estila Iconic Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is for $10. Has a little set right there. Really cute. There was a whole bunch of like clothing items, you guys, and I was super excited. I was able to find like sportswear clothing, because that is what I usually like to wear when I'm going to run errands or just go about my day. So one of the things that I found at Marshall's, you guys, was this Adidas sweater for $29.99, and this is like a crop sweater. I don't know if you guys can see, like a crop type of sweater, and has the stripes right on the side of the sleeves, and it has also a hoodie, which is perfect for the fall. And this was originally $65, and it just hits really nice on the waist. I'll show you guys maybe when I go home how it looks like, how I would wear this. I just paired these with the leggings that I have at home from Adidas, and I'm just wearing these white sneakers with it. It's really, really nice. Super inexpensive, but this is really one of my favorite things that I bought recently from Marshall's. Also did get these leggings, and this is from the brand Puma. I don't know how much these originally are. I don't know originally how much these cost, but it was going for $20. I got it in a size small, and it has the logo there. It even has a little animal print there. But I thought this is really cute also to wear around the house and to lounge around the house, or just to wear when you go to the gym. This is a white sweater that I got from the brand TKNY. I bought this for $24.99, but I thought it was really cute because I really like this design that it has here. It just makes you look a little bit like more like a streetwear type of vibe, and the sleeves are really long too. You can definitely tuck this in underneath your pants, or you can wear it with some jeans. I really, really like it, especially the design. It also has a hoodie too, which I really like. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. If you do find it, like, definitely pick it up. I don't know why I thought I could fit into a size 0. Probably because I used to fit into a size 0 before, but now I don't fit into a size 0. I actually already tried this on and it does not fit me. I bought this for $20. These jeans usually go for like $60 at the store. They do fit nicely on the legs and the butt, but on the buttocks, but unfortunately the waist is a little bit too small for me. So I am going to probably return this when I go to Marshall's next time, and or I might just keep it and hope that one day I will fit into a size 0. Maybe not. By the way, I did end up buying some frames from HomeGoods that I put on my wall. I thought they were really, really nice. I think it fit the style of my house. I will show you guys at home when I take you guys there, the frames that I did end up buying. They were like for, I think, $12.99 each, and they look so, so nice. Totally recommend going to HomeGoods if you're trying to buy some frames for your house. This is the thing with guys, like, if you buy things, you buy carpet, or you buy a rug, or you buy a furniture, a couch, they will sit on it, they will lay on it, they will walk on it, but as soon as you tell them the price, they get like, what? You know, they just don't get it. But you know, I like to spend a little bit of money on things that are really good quality. I used to buy rugs from HomeGoods that were like $200-300 that really didn't last long, and I'm starting to slowly realize, like, there are rugs like this rug that we found at HomeGoods that it's really, really good quality. And I mean, $1,500 to spend on a rug is pretty expensive, but when you think about the original price of how much it costs, that is like 85% off. I'm gonna finish my coffee now, get to the house, edit this video for you guys, and then just call it a day. My sister actually gave birth recently, which I wasn't able to upload on Wednesday, unfortunately, but I wanted to visit her and help her with the baby. So today I'm actually gonna go see her, and I'm gonna go spend some time with her. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your day and make sure to make it a good day. Be positive, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah.